Hi everyone, today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury vehicles of the future, the new 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL. This car is not just a step up in the SL class legacy, it's a bold leap into what happens when performance meets the pinnacle of luxury. The Mercedes-Maybach SL takes the iconic roadster silhouette and infuses it with Maybach's signature opulence, offering a truly unique experience for those who want their grand touring car to deliver both elegance and power in equal measure. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Maybach SL demands attention. It retains the classic proportions of the SL line, a long hood, wide stance, and low-slung body, but adds a level of sophistication that only Maybach can bring. The massive chrome vertical slat grille immediately sets the tone for the vehicle's bold personality. Every line and contour on the exterior flows with precision, creating a sculpted but graceful profile. Maybach exclusive two-tone paint options and soft gold accents elevate its visual identity to ultra-luxury territory. Add in the signature Maybach badging and those intricate, turbine-style wheels, and you've got a vehicle that's equally at home pulling up to a luxury hotel or carving through a mountain road. Under the hood, the new Maybach SL doesn't hold back. It's expected to be powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, enhanced with mild hybrid technology to boost both performance and efficiency. With around 600 horsepower and over 650 pound-feet of torque, this roadster is no slouch. Paired with Mercedes' advanced 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, it delivers a seamless, confident driving experience. 0 to 60 comes in under 4 seconds, which is remarkable considering this isn't just a sports car, it's a luxury flagship. Drivers will also benefit from adaptive suspension, active ride control, and rear-wheel steering, giving the Maybach SL agility to match its performance. Step inside, and you'll find yourself surrounded by next-level comfort and technology. The interior is a masterclass in craftsmanship, with the finest Napa leather, real wood veneers, and ambient lighting that can be customized to your mood. The dashboard is anchored by a massive OLED display that houses the latest MBUX infotainment system. It's intuitive, beautiful, and packed with features like augmented reality navigation, voice commands, and real-time driving data. A Maybach-specific interface and bespoke sound design elements ensure the user experience is every bit as luxurious as the physical environment. The seats are where Maybach truly separates itself. The front bucket seats are fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and offer a massage function with multiple programs. Every detail, from the Maybach crest embossed on the headrests to the contrast stitching, has been designed to deliver a first-class experience. While it remains a two-door roadster, the Maybach SL features a 2+2 configuration with rear seats best suited for shorter trips or additional luggage space. A retractable wind deflector and noise-reducing materials ensure that even when the top is down, the cabin remains serene. Speaking of the top, the 2026 Maybach SL comes with a fully automated fabric soft top that can be raised or lowered in just 15 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. It folds neatly into a compact compartment, preserving trunk space and maintaining the car's sleek profile. Whether you're cruising with the roof down on a sunny day or cocooned in the cabin during a winter night, this vehicle adapts seamlessly to any condition. On the tech and safety front, the Maybach SL is equipped with Mercedes' full suite of driver assist features. This includes adaptive cruise control with stop and go, active lane keeping, blind spot assist, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. An advanced 360-degree camera system with 3D imaging ensures that every angle around the car is covered, whether you're navigating tight city streets or backing into a garage. The head-up display projects critical information directly into your line of sight, keeping your attention on the road ahead. Of course, it wouldn't be a Maybach without a state-of-the-art sound system. The SL comes with a custom-tuned Burmester 4D surround system that transforms the car into a mobile concert hall. Each speaker is carefully placed to deliver optimal acoustics, with immersive bass and crystal-clear highs. There's even a sound personalizing system that adjusts the tone and balance based on seating position and roof configuration. Connectivity is also a major highlight. The Maybach SL features 5G compatibility for blazing fast data speeds, over-the-air software updates, and a fully integrated smartphone interface. Passengers can stream media, control lighting and climate settings, or even adjust their massage programs via their personal devices. With biometric authentication, the car recognizes the driver and automatically configures preferences for seating, music, navigation, and more. Mercedes hasn't announced exact pricing yet, but industry insiders expect the 2026 Maybach SL to start north of $200,000, positioning it above the standard AMG SL models and squarely in the realm of high-luxury grand tourers. For that price, buyers receive not only a beautifully engineered machine but an experience tailored for those who demand exclusivity, performance, and craftsmanship in one package. Fuel efficiency, while not the primary goal here, is expected to be respectable thanks to hybrid support and aerodynamic improvements. Advanced thermal management systems and intelligent drive modes help the Maybach SL perform efficiently during city commutes or relaxed highway drives, switching effortlessly between sporty and economical settings. What makes the 2026 Maybach SL truly unique is how it combines old-world charm with future-ready innovation. It preserves the classic roadster ethos while embracing cutting-edge technology. It's a car for drivers who appreciate performance but don't want to sacrifice luxury or elegance. Whether you're piloting it down coastal roads or attending high-society events, the Maybach SL delivers on every level. In summary, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL isn't just a new version of a classic, it's a reimagining of what a luxury roadster can be. With its striking design, immense power, state-of-the-art tech, and world-class comfort, it's an automotive statement piece. This is for those who want to arrive not just in style, but in absolute distinction. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Maybach SL, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more luxury car content. Let us know, if you had the keys to this masterpiece, where would your first drive be? See you in the next video.